Welcome back to the channel, guys. So first of all, I would like to thank you everyone for the love and support that you guys have shown me, which has helped me reach 1000 subscribers. And this street is so busy because I'm near the Cuttack Chandi temple of Cuttack, and as you all are aware कि दशहरा आ रहा है भाई, तो भीड़ तो होगा ही ना कटक में। I just wanted to show you some preparation that is going on in my hometown Cuttack for Dussehra, and I'm near Chandi Chak area of Cuttack. Let us see how prepared the town is for the Dussehra. So this is the Sheikh Bazaar Puja committee. These guys make actually golden jewelry of Maa Durga. As you can see, the preparation is still going on. More 3-4 days left for the Dussehra. They have already prepared the gates. So I am currently near the Badambadi bus stand of Cuttack. The preparation is in full swing. Every year very nice decoration is made. A big gate is made, as you can see. It is still being prepared. It is in its pre-production stage. Very few days left. I don't know how they will complete the decoration. As you can see, decorations are in full swing. Also, they have started making the gate. It will be interesting to see the theme. So that was the mandap, which is closed currently. So this is the Mangalabag area decoration. Decoration is in full swing, man. I just love the lighting of Cuttack Dasara. Last year I had been in Mysore undergoing my Infosys Mysore training. I saw the Dussehra. The lighting was super, but it was lighted for quite a few areas. I don't know why. I just love the lighting of Cuttack Dasara. So here I am stuck in the Chhatra Bazaar area, or the Margo Down area, you can call it. I had come to see the Dussehra preparations, but it seems that the crowd is too much to handle here. This place is always like this, crowded. But the Dussehra decorations are super here. So I thought that let me go and give you a tour. So unfortunately I could not go further because there were 2 trucks on both sides. So I decided that I'll turn back and I'll go through this way. This is also some gate. This is the Malgodown area. I don't know which gate is this. Okay, so the idol is being made inside and it is closed now. So that's about the preparation of Cuttack Dasara. I'll definitely try to show you the proper lighting and the various famous Durga idols of Cuttack during the Dussehra. So thank you for watching this short video on Dussehra preparation of Cuttack. So thank you also for supporting and making me reach 1000 subscribers. I'm trying to put 3 videos every month. So kindly watch all the videos, share and like the videos. Slowly the quality will increase over time. So thank you very much for supporting. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching this video. It seems that it will get more crowded in the front. So bye bye.